Hi guys, I have a very nice algebraic equation here. Let's solve for that. So first of all, here we need to find the value of x, and then the first step what we're going to do is take the square and then whole square. So 2 times 2 will give you 4 back. And here I have 9 can be written as 3 square, which is equal to 0. And now this is in a form of an identity, which is a square minus b square, if you'll know, that is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now let's substitute back. What is our a? A from this is x squared and b is 3. So let's put it back in this. So we have x squared plus 3 times x squared minus 3 equals to 0. So here we find two cases. So let me just put it here. The first case is when x square plus 3 is equal to 0, and the second case is when x square minus 3 is equal to 0. So when you have x square plus 3 equals to 0, let's solve for x. So what are we going to do here is x square is equal to negative 3. Send it this side. Now take square root on both sides. Square and root gets cancelled, so you have x is equal to, now you have square root of negative 3, so you can split it, square root of 3 times square root of negative 1. So x is equal to square root of 3 and square root of negative 1 is I. So you have x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3i. You have two values. x1 is plus root 3i and x2 is negative root 3i. And now let's solve here. X square minus 3 equals to 0. X square is equal to 3. When you send it this side, take square root on both sides. So this and this gets cancelled. X is equal to plus or minus root 3. So here you have another two values. X3 is plus root 3 and x4 is negative root 3. These are the four values for x which we got. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.